The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Triple Digit Divisor and Triple Digit Dividend. Example, 926 divided by 123 where adjustment in assumed quotient is necessary. Let us take the example 926 divided by 123 where the extreme single digit numbers are involved in deciding the assumed quotient. We had mentioned earlier that when the result of the division of the digit of the dividend and the divisor is nearer to the highest digit of the dividend, there may be a need to reduce 2 or 3 values in fixing the assumed quotient. Let us see how that works in this example. Let us set the dividend 926 in the right extreme of the abacus and set the divisor 123 in the left extreme of the abacus. As 9 divided by 1 is 9, we generally reduce 1 and take 8 as the assumed quotient. We had demonstrated in the case of double digit divisor that it is safe to take an assumed quotient by reducing 2 or 3 numbers. Let us start with 7 as the assumed quotient and set it by skipping a column to the left of the dividend. Let us multiply 7 with the divisor 1, 2, 3 and subtract the value from the dividend 926. 7 is multiplied with 1 which is 0, 7. That should be subtracted from the thousands column and the hundreds column. That is 0 subtracted from the thousands column and 7 subtracted from the hundreds column. Now let us multiply 7 with the 2 which is 14. That should be subtracted from the hundreds column and the tens column. Let us subtract 1 in the hundreds column and subtract 4 in the tens column. We cannot subtract 4 from the tens column and therefore subtract 1 in the hundreds column and add 6 in the tens column. Let us multiply 7 with 3, that is 21, and out of this 2 should be subtracted from the tens column and 1 from the units column. We get a double digit remainder 61, but the hundreds column is part of the remainder as the divisor is a 3-digit number. Therefore, the result is 7 as the quotient and 61 as the remainder. In this problem, it so happened that the assumed quotient 7, which in fact is nearer to the highest digit of the dividend, has become the real quotient too. This is because of the tens and hundreds columns of the divisor are also involving smaller numbers such as 2 and 3. When these numbers are higher numbers, then 7 may become larger than the real quotient. In the next video, let us demonstrate the safest approach in selecting assumed quotient when it is closer to the highest digit of the dividend.